Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video with Take Profit. I'm Denarius Durant with Take Profit, and I know I didn't talk much about. I didn't speak at all about GU, but I just want to go over GU because I set GU up on my own, but I did not share the analysis. So I'm gonna show why I would have took this move. I missed the move, but I'm gonna show why I would have took this move because it was a good move. So we know overall that GU is in a choppy market right now overall in the monthly, but we are trending up coming from this monthly support area. We are trending to the upside. Let's say something. So we are trending to the upside coming from this monthly support area. So seeing this bullish momentum led me to think that we're in a bullish market overall right now. Drop down to the weekly, we can see that we're making higher low points and higher high points. So in the daily, we're still making those higher high points and higher low points, but we're just really moving in the daily at this point. We're moving in the daily, showing higher highs and higher lows. And yesterday we reached a high. Yesterday, I did not take these buys, but I did have a buy set up. A buy opportunity set up on GU because we were here at this we were here at this sorry. We were here at this point, A, B, and we got our 38.2 higher low point, 38.2% higher low point confirmed. 38.2% means that that is a confirmed higher low point or a lower high point in the market at the time. So yeah, so we're at this higher low point in this bullish market. So you already know what that means. That means buy. So I would have took some buys probably in the hour or 30-minute, being that all the bullish variations are happening in those time frames. So I probably would have took entry off of the 30-minute or the hour, probably 30-minute or the hour, yeah, for sure. You can go lower, but yeah, as you see, we smashed through our 0%, we smashed through our 27%, and we were on our way up to our negative 61%. But we could not get that that target hit. But overall, our 0% was hit and our negative 27% was hit. Smashed through those TPs. So back to these sells. So we know after a push, so the market made a higher high here. We broke higher high here, higher low point at the 38.2 confirmed. Then it made another higher high to maintain bullish structure, higher low point, sitting previously on top of the higher high point over here. So we know that once we got back in this area, we have buyers have another opportunity for another buy to the push up to this negative 61.8, but we did not hit the negative 61.8. So seeing that, we have this bullish bearish formation here in the market, telling me that this is confirmed resistance. So seeing this confirmed resistance in the market is letting me know that since we have hit this higher high, what's after a higher high? Exhaustion, or a higher high is just another term for push in the market. So we found this push in the market. Here's a resistance because it's confirmed, bullish, bearish, tested. So now we're getting this bearish push back down. So today around 4:30 or 4-ish, I was in the market and I was in the 5 or 15 minute, and I saw this little gem right here. Let's delete the fib here because we're gonna just throw it back. So in order to break structure, we're gonna need for this 38.2 confirmed higher low point to be broken with a new low, and then we're gonna retest with the lower high possibly to move back down. So basically we're looking for something like right here. All right, so but you know it doesn't happen as pretty as that. I can even see it. I can even see it dipping back into here. And then we're making our move down, something like that. But the thing is, the concept is that we're making new. This is a new low in the market. That's the concept. So what happens if we're making new lows? We broke the higher low, new structure. So this dotted line right here would really be a break of structure. So I'm looking for this market to come back down and switch really switch positions, because like I said, in the monthly, it's chop. It's all chop. We're back in the monthly, and we're sitting down here at support in a choppy area. So sitting at the top of resistance, but we are in this bullish leg. So we'll see where GU can go. I'll make sure to keep track of GU for you guys. But what I was saying is, yeah, so after a higher high, there is a push and exhaustion. So this was the push, and now we're in the exhaustion, of course, because the push was the higher to the next higher high, because we're in a bullish market, higher highs and higher lows. But now we are in this exhaustion that looks like a reversal area now. So what I did was this afternoon around 4-ish, I saw my A to B point. My A to B point was about here. So I wanted to get an entry. I lied. My A to B point was here. A to B. I was really looking for a little scalp, but the scalp ended up being goddamn 40 pips, 40 pip move, man. So it was a 23.6 PRZ level was hit. So we would have took our entry at the 23.6 level and took it to the 0. We would have got smooth little 5 pips if we were scalpers. But I'm not a scalper. I'm more of a swing trader. So I probably would have swung that down to the negative 27. And then negative 68. So yeah, but the reason why I would have took this trade was because I saw that we were at a higher high. So what is a higher high? A higher high is just a push of a push in the trend. So what comes next after a higher high? Higher low point. So what turns out is that the market has come down and pushed through the previous higher low point that we were basing our buy move off of, and it's breaking that structure, it looks like, right here. So that's why I would have took this move initially, because we were in the exhaustion. So I knew what structure we were in. We were in a counter trend structure, which was making lower low points and lower high points, lows and lower highs. So that's why I would have took this particular trade here, because I saw consolidation continuation in the lower time frames, and I would have took this little scalp. Would have been a nice little scalp. Definitely a nice little scalp. Perfect scalp move. 31 pips. I would have let that, yeah. So now what we're doing here is we're gonna wait for the pullback and to get our retest and see if we can drop back down below this higher low point that formed at the 38.2 level for on the buy side. So if we can break the structure level right here, then we can look for these guaranteed sells. I appreciate you for tuning in to take another video with Take Profit, and stay tuned for more analysis.